Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm on a very high mood. Like my spirit is high. I'm feeling really high spirited, and that is because finally, at long last, I have gotten one of the amazing presents of my entire YouTube career. Been having issues with some major YouTube text that I did not own or I did not have, but today I think I can beat my chest and say I'm one big owner of a ring light and a brand new tripod. Oh my god, this is like I am on a whole new level. I am on a whole new level. So I got a knock from Jumia. And sent me these amazing products. So I am unboxing it. Disclaimer, I already unboxed it when it arrived to be sure that what I paid for was what I received. So this is like an online second time unboxing. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please give it a big old thumbs up. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and be expectant of better, bigger, more beautiful content, because now I am settled to some extent. At least I can control my light, I can move my arms wherever I want, and my light still remains controlled. So I'm super excited. I want to unbox my product. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big old thumbs up, and I'll see you guys. Yeah. Whoa! Jumia tripod. I have a tripod here, which I used to film, and it's 2 years old. So I like, why not? Why not get a new tripod, a brand new tripod? So yeah, I'm going for it, nigga. I need to get myself a brand new tripod, because the other one was really wrinkled, and it has like literally battled for its life. So I said to get a new one. That would be my old baby, like my first ever investment on YouTube. But it's still gonna stay, it's still gonna be there running. Like right now I'm using it to film this video you guys are seeing. So she's gonna be my first true love, and this second one is gonna be an addition to the family. So I'm super excited. Like, I don't know, let's go over to the unboxing. So they came with this big box, and this box contained the tripod stand. Yeah. So I'll leave the price of what I got on the corner of the screen, maybe somewhere here or somewhere here, anywhere that sees while I'm editing, literally. So I just tore the carton. I told you that I've already unboxed this stuffs already, but just to be sure that what I paid for is what I'm getting. So this is an online unboxing, okay? So here is the tripod carton, still on the carton. I'm gonna take my time, guys. So here, putting down the box, I have this other semi-packaged stuff here. I literally, everything is like torn because I was super excited. They landed 3 days ago, so I just tore everything to be sure that what I paid for is what I'm getting. I've said this like 50 times already. So let's continue the video, guys. So, oh my god, I'm really excited. Like, I feel like crying. Like, I don't know, like I don't know what to say, actually, guys. I don't know. This whole journey has been okay. I'll stop being sentimental. I'll just unbox my products, my stuff. So yeah, I just took out the new products are here. So this is what you have here, this tripod, and this is what you get inside the carton. Like, let's unbox. open this curtain. And here I'm wearing like cows with a carrier bag. Oh my god, what just fell? Okay, I found that thing now. It fell. Yes, it fell while I was trying to check the product, so I forgot where I kept it. So I'm just gonna bend down, get it, and put it back so it doesn't get mixing again. Okay, I'm not scared of my lights. I got everything under control. So it comes with this bag, and this bag has or rope. You just draw out this beaded stuff and let loose the bag. So you see right now the bag is literally loose. Like this is my phone's, oh, this is my second time unboxing something, but this is my first time unboxing something big. I'm having some little issues. Okay, a quick disclaimer in case you hear any background noises. My family is around and our generator is on, so expect the okay, just to be clear on that. And if you're new here, please subscribe. I'm saying this again and again. This is the tripod. It looks really short. I promise I'll be using this to do a lot of vlogging, guys. You see it has this adjuster. You can move it any way you want, any side. Get it? You can move it up, sideways. Get it? So that's it. So now this tripod, it's I don't know how they managed to assemble all these things, but I think the person that assembled this is really wise and intelligent. Maybe the excitement is much. Okay, back. I got it under control. So here we have this, I don't know, but if you know the correct word, just tell me. I don't know if it's a lock or knob, I don't know. I'm just gonna open up these things to let loose of the amazing beautiful stuff that is in this tripod. Okay, pulls up, and then the second one that pulls up, and whenever it just pulls up, just click it and it's locked and it's secured. So this, I'm going to put it up and it's locked, and it has this third leg. Okay, I'm just gonna press it down and it's locked. Okay, the leg just expands really well. And then we have the knob. So at this juncture, I think I want to put it down, but there are a lot of things standing right in front of me that I can't control. Okay, she's really short. Okay, you just put this and tie it up. I told you guys I'm not a professional unboxer. So the tripod is when everything comes open, it's about 1020 millimeters from the ground. You see that the last one right there from the ground is 1020 millimeters away from the ground. So this is it. So I think we're clear. You see how this thing moves, and this stuff is for what did my friend tell me it was for? I can't remember. So we're moving on. The next thing we have is a holder. This is not what it came in originally, but I think I tore the wrap, and so I had to manage. So it comes with this, and you can just pull this. It holds the phone. My nails just want to get ruined. It holds the phone and so we're just gonna assemble this. I promise, if this tripod was not assembled, I don't think I can assemble it on my own. So now guys, I just kept my phone on it, and see it goes up, goes down, and comes up. That's it, what it looks. So my phone is on it, and I'm ready to film. At any time. Okay, so we're not shaking. Moving on. Okay, there's my receipt. The next thing here is gifts. And this was what they gifted me in my tripod. Okay. So before we open the gift item, we have this remote controller. I promise my first tripod had this, but I never know how to use it. Can someone tell me? I'm still learning. I can't know all. Honestly, I can't know all. So can someone tell me? I never used this thing for one day because I don't really know how to use it. But this is a remote control for the tripod. I don't even know what it does. Remote shutter, easy to set up. User. Let's see what happens. Let's just see. Ooh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! It's working! It's working! It's working! Oh my god! So I just press it and it keeps reading. Hi guys. Feeling myself. So once you want to stop, voila! I'm feeling myself. Gift item. And when I opened this, it was amazing. It was amazing. Tongue twister. It came in this. And this little pouch. I think this pouch holds the remote control if necessary, and the lenses. So they gave me this lens, and this is a lens for digital camera and mobile phones. These are for those that film with their camera, their digital camera, mobile phones, just like me. I film my phone all the time. This is a bigger lens. I don't know how to measure these lenses, but this is just what it looks like. And I have a second one. This is a gift item on the wow. And this is the second one. This is the smaller one. As you can see, it's big and small. They give you this little pouch where you just drop them in and you're good to go. Got this clip to use to hold the lens, so you just take off. The lens has a cover so it doesn't get you see, just take it and you just put it where it's safe. Okay, here, just put it here. See, so getting the camera. Oh god, oh, it's not the camera, it's not the net. Okay, this is the camera here. Okay, so now it's on it. Now the case is settled, so we're just gonna try recording myself. I'm gonna try recording myself from here. Okay guys, yeah, so we're just gonna just try recording myself from here. Just gonna try. Okay, back. See that? That is not going to see that. So you can walk in the front. Let's see if you can walk in the front. How do you even put the front on? Where is the camera for front? Wow, I have a fish eye. Can you see that? Okay, this is the fish eye. Myself, see me. I love free things, so I'll just insert a video of what it looks like with the lens. I think I want to try the other lens. Where did I put it down? So we need to take this one out and try the other lens because I'm pretty not so happy with this one. Okay. The big one is the fish eye lens, while the small one is the macro lens. So I'm just gonna try out this one. I'll put a clip for you guys to what it looks like. The macro lens on. Okay. This one just use a whole lot. It's much more better than the other one. This is the macro. I'll just put it for you guys to see what it looks like. We are at the end of the tripod unboxing. I'll see you guys in the next one.